Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram stories, and you all will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just a reminder, if you can all hit that like button and give this video a thumbs up. And now, we're going to talk about the products. First one up is John Paul Mitchell's Awapuhi Wild Ginger No Blowout Hydrocream. The sizes they carry for this guy is 1.7 ounce and the other one is 5.1 ounce. You can find this product at paulmitchells.com, of course, and Ulta Beauty. I believe Ulta Beauty only has the 5.1 ounce, but it's still there. Price of the small one is only $9 and price of the 5 ounce one is $24. And of course, the expiration, it lasts up to 18 months. Not bad, not bad. Pretty good for a styling cream. Of course, it has the stamp for the cruelty-free, and it is also gluten-free and paraben-free. This is a lightweight styler that is supposed to define your natural texture without blow drying. It is supposed to make your air dry look effortless. I like the sound of that. This cream should definitely speed up that air drying time and should be perfect for all hair types. Ooh la la. Also, it features the Cura Triplex technology. Wow. Basically, it is isolated proteins that is supposed to be similar to the keratin found in your hair and help strengthen any damage that was done to your hair. Not only that, of course, it has the Awapuhi extracts that should help eliminate the frizz and make your hair soft and shiny and silky and healthy. I love it. And the fragrance in this? Pretty nice actually. It is tropical ginger green tea mango scent with a hint of Italian bergamot, Sicilian lemon, lily, musk, jasmine, wood, and spice. How do we use this bad boy? Easy. All you have to do is take a shower, and then after you take that shower, into your nice clean hair, go ahead and apply. Let's try this out. Of course, my hair is supposed to be like a towel dried wet look to it. Basically, almost 80% dry. So let's pretend that this is wet. And then go ahead, put it in your hair. You want to either, maybe if you have curls, scrunch it up a bit, or just twist it in your hair like this. Get all nice and in there. Warm it up with your hands, of course. I think you might have seen me do this. You want to do that, and then, whoop. Yeah. Make sure you get those ends too. Definitely get the ends. It's a beautiful scent. I really like it actually. I like the fact that there's a bit of a jasmine in there. I like that scent. It's nice. That's it. After that, just go ahead and let it air dry. Just kidding. And then go ahead out into the world and continue on with your life because it is that simple and easy. Love air drying creams. That is my go-to, especially when I'm in a hurry. This one's good. Next one up is the Bumble and Bumble BB Glow Bond Building Styler. Ooh. I literally just got this like a year ago, and of course, we know what happened in 2020. During that time, I believe they had changed the name already. So, it is no longer BB Glow. It is now Bond Building Repair Styling Cream. Basically the same thing. I looked at the ingredients list. It looks almost identical. They just name changed it. Don't worry, you guys can still find it. There is a 2 ounce size, and then this one is the 5 ounce size, of course. Can be found at bumbleandbumble.com and ultabeauty.com. Of course, they mention only at ultabeauty.com, and they only have the 5 ounce one. The 2 ounce one is $16, and the 5 ounce one in both websites is $34.
A little up there in price, but I like it. It should be pretty good, am I right? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This cream should last you 24 months, and it is free of formaldehyde, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oils. And of course, can't forget about the cruelty-free. Love it. This lightweight cream is supposed to have a light hold, smooth, prevent breakage, and of course you can't forget heat damage. Not to mention the bond building part of it, and apparently it helps cook dinner, but then it writes JK back there, so just kidding, it won't cook your dinner, you have to do it yourself. But it does help your hair have a healthy glow, or shall I say shine, and helps to keep it from frizzing with this bond building technology and honey protective complex technology stuff in there. It is meant for all hair types, but of course the newer one, the bond building repairing styling cream one, that is meant for all hair types and now chemically treated and color treated hair. I do have colors, so yes, definitely have to give that one a try. It has kukui oil, castor oil, and soybean oil.
Nice.
It does have a fragrance that is just categorized as parfum. It does mention though that limonene and linalool is used in it. If you're worried about sulfates, it does have sodium lauryl sulfate, and of course the honey and mica. It smells pretty good. It smells like a bar of soap, really. Very soapy. And now to try this baby out, we are going to put it on this side of my hair. Again, it has to be washed and cleansed and then towel dried. Pop this baby open. Very similar thing. You want to use it for either air drying your hair or blow drying is fine. Rub it on your hand. Ooh, that's nice. Very light cream. You can really tell right away. Then put in the hair, and don't forget about the ends, especially if you're blow drying. You want to get those ends and make sure they are protected by the heat. Now you could just leave this alone, just like this, like what I'm going to do, or you can, use other products. If you're going to do a different style, go ahead, use like either leave-ins or hairspray. It doesn't matter, anything up to you. Your style is your style, and then that's it. Yes, very nice scent. And that's all. Easy, fun styling, and adds a nice scent to your hair, which I don't mind, just as long as you have fun with it. And now we're going to move on to the results. Here we go with the results. Oh my gosh, it opened up. Okay. Imagine if I squeezed it. Ooh, okay. And the winner is 50-50. They both won. Congratulations, you guys. You are winners. Why am I not surprised? These are the winners. You're basically both almost the same thing. You help rebuild and strengthen, get rid of the frizz, and just both of you are creams, and yeah. But basically they're the same thing, but they are both unique in very different ways and very different scents. So why not give both of them a try, right? I do like the bond building part of it. The keratin, I don't usually use any keratin in my hair, but in a cream, it's pretty good. But two things that you must remember is the Awapuhi is meant for just air drying. So I don't believe this has any heat protection in it. So yes, be careful, just air dry. This one does have heat protection, but for this one, you have to remember it is no longer BB Glow. It is now Bond Building Repair Styling Cream. So look that up if you're looking for this, and just remember that it does not advertise the glow part of it anymore. Just looking out for you when you're all shopping out there. Now I want to hear from you. Which one is your favorite? Go ahead and comment below. Let me know if you tried any of these out and why you like them. and how they make you feel. How does the scent make you feel? Because I know a lot of people have different emotions with different scents. Does it take you somewhere? Does it take you back to that 5 minutes ago? Or does it take you to a nice place? This one is very exotic. Yeah, this one's nice. I think I like the scent of this one much better. Again, comment below and you could be featured in next week's video. As of features, we have no features this week, but many of you guys, thank you so much, commented on my personality. Yeah, I just love to make everybody laugh. I am usually the person I'm not that much of a comedian, trust me. When I'm in a social area, I do get a little quiet and shy, and I just don't feel like talking, because usually most of the time, I have nothing to say. If I have nothing to say, I'll stay quiet. But if I am in an area like this in front of the camera with all of you, I tend to be a little fun and like to make people laugh, especially my family members. I like to see smiles on their faces. So thank you all for loving my personality and my upside down eyeliner. I know a lot of you guys thought that was very unique. I enjoy doing that on my face, especially with my makeup. Especially when I have different colors on my eyes or just different colors all over the place. It is so cool. I think I have a few pictures on my Instagram if you guys want to check that out. Also, check out the last video. Comment on there. See what I'm talking about. You want to see that upside down liner? Go ahead. Go take a look. That's it for now. Thank you, everybody. See you guys next week, and keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye. Bye. Bye.